We're back with another listing here in beautiful South Lake Tahoe, which happens to be one of our favorite places to escape to with the kids. And there happens to be an outdoor activity for everyone.
There's skiing, golfing, biking, hiking, and we're surrounded by 8 renowned ski resorts as well, just minutes away from Heavenly, Sierra, Tahoe, and Kirkwood. We're excited to show you what this house has to offer. Come with us to take a peek. This 4-bedroom, 4-bath home opens a huge open floor plan, gourmet kitchen, fireplace, upper living, and heated floors throughout. Reach out to us for a private showing or visit our website for more information.